Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use FieldGenius Android to calculate an offset line. So what I can do is I can either access my offset line calculation menu from this calculations menu on my main menu, or I can head to my survey screen, and what you can see here is I've got some lines and points laid out that I'm going to be conveniently creating my offset line from. But if I head to the left side of my screen, there is this calculator button, which if I open up is going to bring up my calculations menu, and I'm going to select the fifth option here, line offset. And when I open that up, I'm going to have to enter some information to create my offset. So the first of that is I'm going to need to select the line from which I wish to create this offset. So in this case, I'm going to use the largest of these two arcs here, and I'm going to give a horizontal offset. So that's going to be the distance from which my new line is going to be created. So in my case, I'm going to give a 10-meter horizontal offset, and then my direction I can select either to the left, right, or both sides of my line. So in my case, I'm going to select the right side of the line, and then my vertical offset I can also set. So if I want to have a line that is offset horizontally and then one that is also offset vertically, I can do that. But in my case, I'm going to keep it nice and simple and leave my vertical offset as 0. I'm also going to leave my keep original line box checked. But what you can see is once I have all that information entered in, I have this red dashed line that has given me my outline of where my line is going to be projected to. And if I hit apply here at the bottom, you can see that I now have this new arc that's created that is 10 meters offset from my original existing line. And I'm now ready to do whatever I so please with this newly created line. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the line offset tool in Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.